Okay, fun times ahead, fun times again. Hello, welcome back to another episode of the Captain of Industry. We need to expand the rail. We're not getting enough iron ore. I already started planning everything. There's several things that is causing our issue here. You can see that the iron ore is not even reaching the last couple of smelters, furnaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is how many we have at the moment. And just a quick calculation. If you take the 6 times this, it's 300, or just under 300. It's 288, I think. 288 is the amount of iron ore needed in order to run them. Yes, we do have the iron scrap as well, but unfortunately we are not supplying enough of everything to keep the show going, to keep the so we need to plan for a bigger boat. Okay, so I'm going for this at the moment. Unfortunately, I don't see the calculator, so I can see how much materials is needed for this. But if you can see, if I do this, it actually tells me approximately how much I need, like 500 red parts. I'm still in a phase of collecting the purple ones, and I think I'm gonna have to build a bigger boat. I'm actually gonna let's do this. Let's build a big storage. So I'm gonna go for one big storage. I'm gonna put it in the middle. In the navy, I'm gonna put it like this. Oh, we can actually unpause this. How much do it cost? 60. If we need to expand it, we're gonna need to expand it. That's fine. Whatever the issue is, whatever the situation is, currently we are... Oh, let's stop doing that. Unpause this. And let's build... let's make the purple, the level 4 construction parts great again. So let's do that. Okay, so what's the plan? We need to supply more steel. We have a lot of issues. You can see here household items. It's kind of a long running issue that we have with, and the reason is we don't have enough steel. So we're not producing enough steel. And when I see, okay, what do we need to do? More furnaces? Not really. We actually need more ore. We need more of this. And this is also not a... Oh, actually, it's a problem here as well. Ooh, iron ore. Should I be importing iron ore? Maybe yes, maybe not. Should I stay or should I go? Yeah, this is definitely a problem. Okay, I'm gonna need another excavator, and I'm gonna need a bigger boat. So let's go for hydrogen, big excavator, build that. I think we have enough. We don't have enough of these, definitely. You can see 2 of them are sleeping, but that's way not enough. So I'm gonna go for 1 more of these. I've made like 5, 6 of them in last off screen. You can see here that the parts are actually quite depleted. So yeah, I mean, ever so slowly we're gonna be doing this, but I think a lot of them are on the way. You see this storage, iron ore storage. This means that there's a truck delivering iron ore here, and this is not cool. This is not what we should be doing. We need to phase this out, because this takes a long time for the truck to deliver this, and they're very much needed elsewhere. So we're gonna be expanding to what I understand is the biggest trains you can have, 6. Now you can have bigger ones, but you have to multiply, have different locomotives or bigger locomotives, or we're gonna need a bigger boat and stuff. So yeah, I think this is where I'm gonna draw the line at the moment, and I'm gonna just go for starting to build, prepare for the larger intake of iron. So we have a fueling station here, we have a station here, and then 6 of these. So I'm gonna have to redo the train as well. And the problem here is that this train, I don't even know if I can put it, if it can go back to storage, because this was never finished. Train tracks. I don't know if this means that it's connected or not, but I would assume no. Oh, for a moment there. I can do this. I don't want to do this. I want it. Well, this looks like it's gonna be it. This looks like it's gonna be connected, so yeah, go for it. It's a little bit of construction that needs to be done. Oh, I never double checked on my storages here. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. That's a big storage. Big storage of rock. It's actually even delivering more. That's fine. That's why probably they're not dumping it elsewhere. But look, we need it. We need this. We need this anyway. So I was thinking of removing this station and building it elsewhere. I'm 100% sure I will have to do that. But for now, not yet. Not today. So what I'm gonna do here is... I can build an overpass here, right? Oh, by the way, yeah, I'm planning this now. No, the question here is, I will have to, I think I'm gonna have to build a bigger storage over here of this recyclable materials, because there is decent amount of this and they're just not delivering it because there's no storage to accept it. So I think I'm gonna have to build bigger storage, this bigger recyclable storage. I just don't know where. I probably should plan it here as well. The problem I have with this current setup is this. If I build it here, this is where I wanted to build the overpass for the trucks, for the vehicles over the... but I can do this. Okay, I'll do this. This is nothing. We're gonna ignore this. Yeah, okay, you know what? That's fine. Go for it. This is the iron scrap, and please fill it to half. So this is gonna give us enough breathing room over here. So I can go for level 2 conveyor belt, connect it here, and when you're done with that, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna unpause some of these, and this is gonna free up storage for all the materials that are gonna be needed for this. So let's just unpause. Unpause, and let's unpause this one. 2 crushers, yes, because one crusher can only supply 192, which is enough iron for 4 of these. Now, yes, you might say we have recyclables. Yes, we do, but we are already growing. I'm at a limit of what steel production I can deal with. So, yeah, let's see. Block due to full output, that would be rocks, but I don't think this is the problem with the rocks itself. It's a problem. It's not a problem of dumping these rocks, because I do have space to dump it. It's about the vehicles being too busy. For example, here vehicles can go here and dump stuff. I'm just gonna confirm that they are allowed to dump rocks here. You can see this yellow square, yes, and they're allowed to dump rocks here, and they're just not dumping it because we are consuming all these rocks. So there's elsewhere where we are dumping it. I'm pretty sure I'm dumping it over here, maybe. Yeah, there's definitely here we go. This lake, our pool, is almost fully covered, so just a heads up on that. Be aware. That's coming to the store near you. Pool is gonna be gone, so we're gonna remove the wall, mine some of this stuff, and we're ever so slowly finishing the limestone supply. This is a kind of problem, because not a problem. We're already mining the other limestone. This is not a problem. It's ta-da! We're mining more limestone, but the delivery of limestone, I need to see where the limestone is being consumed, and potentially another train. Yay! I guess another train. Oh, rails is done here. Wow, that was fast. Okay, sure. Let's go and build more rails. Do I go and build these then? All of this is already done. That's quite nice. Iron scrap. Let's not do this. And I think we can start removing this even. There we go. After you're done removing this is gonna look all nice and cute. Come on, remove it. Really? You're gonna get parts back? Okay, sure, whatever. Yeah, we can continue building this. Each one of these is 120. We do have a capacity for that. Oh my god, everything costs yellow construction. Oh, sorry, red construction parts. Okay, whatever. Let's go and build the tracks. So this is 6 station, 6 unloading bays, station, and the fueling station. Okay, so that's it. Let's see how we can... what did they say? This is... Oh my god, this is definitely not it. What about this? Can I do it here? No. Okay, fine. No, let's just go to the ground level. What if I do this? Where is it? EQ is Shift, R, and T. R, T. Alright. Does the number go up anywhere? I don't see any number changing, so okay. This is obviously the kind of the smallest. Oh, why are you not clicking here? Okay. Going lower, 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 and this is probably the biggest circle. Or whatever this is, I have no idea. Why is this? This is okay, whatever. So this is the lowest, right? Why doesn't it want to rotate? Let's see. This is not supposed to go in this direction. Is it R and T? Oh. Oh, my bad. That's not a circle. That's in which angle is going to be. Okay, my bad. Do I want the sharp turns or less sharp turns? How do I... again, R and T. No, I don't want that. I want this... Is it control? This is kind of alternative something something. Okay, let's do it this way then. Okay, this looks like it's the straightest we can get. I didn't touch anything. Why did it change everything? Okay, let's go this way. Okay, that's it. This is what I want, what I really want. And after they are done with this, I think, yeah, I mean, this is not good. This is just rail construction, rail materials which we are producing here in the vast quantities. This is not going to be a problem. Everything is being cool over here. Yep. That's all good. Let's build the rest of it here. 550. Let's unpause the next. Let's unpause everything and work from there. We need to build another station over here as well. Actually, this one can be just upgraded, right? So if I go for the buildings and then 1, 2, 3, because I do have all of this. Let's see, this is the loose station module. Okay, the train needs to move. Yeah, I think if I move the train, it's gonna be okay. Okay, move away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Train. Is train moving? Oh, it's not full. Oh, right. Okay, so what's the deal with this one then? This is mining. Did I build another excavator? I did, and let's go put two more vehicles over here, so we're gonna get more iron mined from here. We have one truck. Where's the second one? Are they refueling or something? And I think, oh, I already have fueling truck here, that's fine. Where's the second vehicle here? If I click on this and then I think potentially he was, because it was pure iron, I think it was automatically delivering it over here. So that's why we didn't see the vehicle there. Okay, so that's fine, that's fine. Let them construct this, and we need to construct over here. So can I tell you to go to the other station? I'm pretty sure I can. Skip to the next station on schedule, yeah. Perfect, there we go. And now we need loose module. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if I need extension of the track here, but I heard that you need to have extension of the track here, so I'm gonna build. Oh, I'm gonna build this as well. Right, I need input here for the conveyor belts. Let's do that. I'm gonna use this one for now. And that should be it, right? Yeah, this is input, that's fine. So yeah, after this all is built, I can actually, after this train is unloaded, I'm gonna go and park it in a storage and see if we can modify the train that we have here. Okay, we need a select recipe. That would be iron ore. Recipe iron ore. And this one says that only almost request train only. Train limit none. Almost is full. Train station unload modules have no product assign. Ah, right. Okay. Sure. So do I have to do it for every one of them? Looks like yes. Can I copy schedule? So if I copy this, okay, no. Fine, I'll do it manually. I don't know if you can copy schedules. If you know, guys, how to copy schedules, so I don't have to click on every one of them, let me know, but this is working. Like, I like that literally where you scrolled in the last section, it gives you to be in the same section here, so it's not that painful to get all of this. What did we say? Request train only for all modules. Oh, unrestricted, that's fine. Whatever you do. Okay, and then this one. Okay, everything seems to be... Ah, right, this is the limitations. Now we don't have red anymore. Oh, this is gonna put a lot of pressure on our iron production, I think. Let's see this one. Yeah, there is a lot of recycling on the way, so that's an interesting one. I think I can probably... Well, train is... I can do this. Oh, sorry, on pause. That is not requested here, but I can request it, for example, here, iron ore, and if I request it here, they're gonna be delivering it. Let's do the conveyor belt system over here. These guys need two, they can maximal, they have 200 processing, 198, 2, but let's say 200 processing, that means these. We can input... we need 200 inputs, so everything can work with normal conveyor belts. Now, do we want normal conveyor belts, or do we want train to be back fast? Yeah, I think I want train to be back fast. So what I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to do this, 1 and 2, and then I'm going to be doing this, I think, like this. Like a so, and here. There we go, there we go. Sure, that's it. I'll go away. Oh, household goods. Oh, wow, that's a second one. This is appliances. Oh my god, okay. Sure. I still think, well, look, this is all going to work. Oh my god, I still didn't build the office as what I promised like 10 episodes ago. Several hundred years ago. Oh, 100 years ago. Let's see if we have any movement here, because we're using more now fission products. No, they're not coming of age, but look at this. Haha, recyclables. Because we have recyclables here, that means that this is working, because these guys have no delivery selected. That's all cool. Okay. Right, so we need iron ore here. This is going to increase production of iron ore straight away, because this is already working in maximum, but this is going to start giving us iron ore over here. And we have iron scrap over here, way more of it now, so I think this is a good way to do it. And then if we need for example, harbor, if we build a port where we're going to be importing iron, yeah, that's an option too. I don't know with these asteroids and stuff, but for imports, I think we're getting there. I'm researching ship engine, and I think I should be researching, I should be rushing towards the breeder reactors. Unfortunately, for breeder reactors, I need the crude station. For crude station, I need space station. So this is, oh my god, we even have like space meals and stuff. Cool. So we need a space station first. So I need a space station, yada yada. You know what we need for that. We need a lot of construction materials level 4. So I know. This is not really counterproductive, but it's different. I can do this, for example, and then I can do this. No, I can do just that, like this. There we go. And then they're gonna be emptying this into this storage, and this storage here Actually, I can do this one here. Well, I can demolish the storage, right? They're gonna just transfer everything there and we're gonna have one big storage. Yay. Box store. Okay, so what's next stop? Next stop is are we getting more stuff here? Oh, they still didn't deliver it. Okay, that's fine. Oh, this is all red construction materials. Are we building enough of that? Looks like yes. Looks like we're getting a lot from here now. But the problem here with this train is that we are... Oh, what is this problem? Rocks, a lot of rocks. There shouldn't be a lot of rocks here because probably... I'm pretty sure that other mines are unloading stuff into here. So that's why we have a lot of non-iron ore stuff. But we have a lot of iron ore, so it's fine. I probably should be processing this... No. I was thinking like we need to extract this faster, but no, they're processing this. This is 220 per month, but it is growing slowly, but it's not stable, so I need to extract. I need more iron ore. Let's designate more areas for mining. Let's see where the iron ore is. You can see here on the side of this mountain that there is iron ore there. And yeah, I'm worried not to collapse this passage, so I'm worried about mining this, but let's do it in this direction, as we were doing so far. So this way, and let's go in this direction. There we go. Now we have 2 excavators and 4 trucks doing it now. We're doing proper mining, so yay, I guess. Okay, let's do the household items over here. They're being produced, but they're still warning over here. I think we're getting more of it. So yeah, look at the conveyor belts being full. That's right. Oh, they're stopping. Why are conveyor belts stopping? I don't want them to stop. Okay, looks like it's not affecting anything at the moment. But yeah, we're producing a lot of these materials. By the way, we have four of these factories. That will be 1 in the end here and 3 over here. They are exporting the same thing, so it's like 200. So these conveyor belts, like it's a lot of stuff, and we are producing a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. So I will stop looking at this now, and I'm gonna go and focus on the... This is for appliances. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on the next mission. Diesel is low again. I can see the generators from time to time kicking in, and that's not ideal. I don't like that, because that means we're using dinosaur juice for electricity. That means that my reactor is running at full steam ahead, and looks like we are close to how much electricity we are consuming, so yeah, that's slightly concerning. All of these are working, so yeah, I mean, we have desalination stations, we have a lot of this. I think it could be aluminium production that is causing some of these power issues. For example, what if I pause this? For example, this is kiln, that's nothing. These guys are 120 kilowatts, and then boom, 8 megawatts. I think I'm gonna pause this, and then here we have no electricity needed. Okay, so this is gonna save us 8 megawatts, only this one. Big thingy, big factory. How much you consume? 1 megawatt. Yeah, I think I can pause some of these, just because this is not gonna work anytime soon, so until we get to the space center or whatever, just to preserve some diesel. But as I said, you can see that they're kicking in ever so often, so not ideal, but okay. Designation mined. Oh, look at this pool shrinking ever so fastly. Okay, let's go. Let's see where the ore is, where the goodies are. Let's go couple of them in this direction, and let's just go in this direction. Let's go for the ore itself, and then let's go like this and like this. Is this it? Yeah, let's stick to this, and after that we'll see if we can get some of these little pieces, if I want just to remove them from the map. We can go here as well. Potentially this is going to deplete that one, and then by then the pool is going to be closed, and I'm going to do some housekeeping here, but the limestone. And this brings me to another railroad potential issue. Oh, how does this one handle the whole rail thingy? Okay. Okay, see, he's dealing with 3. He's still not done this, so I need to build this one here. This is unrestricted. Yeah, I just need to fill all of this. And you need to monitor this, how fast they're discharging this. Maybe I'm gonna have to mine iron ore a bit faster, but yeah, we'll see about that. Okay, next up, sorting plant full output. Again, rock. I'm pretty sure that this is the problem, that vehicles are just busy. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be looking into that. Sorry about that, a little bit of sneeze. And are we getting any iron ore here? No. Station done? Done. What do we need? We need a train station done here. Let's speed this up. It only needs 22, and I think this is going to be it. But the problem with this train is going to be... that I need to rebuild it. I need to build a new train. So let's see, new train. It needs to add these wagons. They're really inexpensive. That's really nice to see. But yeah, after they're done delivering, should I start on this train? I think I should start on this train. I think this is gonna be done shortly. Okay. Let's see how you do. Okay, so how do I tell you to go home? Go to this craft for parts. Next station. I'm pausing this. Do I just hold it back? Vehicle will be disassembled and reassembled at the nearest depot. Okay, but enables you to click on a specific spot, manually order vehicle to drive there. Okay, sure. Let's see if you pass here. Pause. Can you please not go in that direction? Okay, looks like it's reversing. I'm pretty sure that you shouldn't be disassembling. Show overlay explains train navigation behavior. No, I don't care about that. Line 1. Can I tell you to go home? No. Cargo, vehicles. I'm assuming like I can do this, but I'm really supposed to be spending the unity points to disassemble this every time you want it. Refuel, train be fully refueled. Opens train designer to train. Okay, so here. Okay. Train depot 30 tiles. Oh god, I knew it. I can't. Looks like the depot that we have. Train too long for depot. Yeah, this is the thing. Now, I think I'm gonna have to extend this depot, which is... is he going to go... let's see this. If I tell you to... Where is this? Line manager. Okay, what if I do this then? Okay, you're not gonna go to the storage, okay? So this guy is not gonna go to the storage like this. How do I make you go to the storage again? This is the train, cannot reach the destination. It looks like it should. Let's see the overlay here. It looks like this should be, because this is the entry point. At least it looks like it's perfectly aligned. I am not sure if it is, but... Okay, I'm getting a lot of messages here, so I'm gonna have to... Okay, let's just do it the hard way. Let's just disassemble it, okay. Let's see, supply household, diesel, hydrogen, this should be all like they... Oh, I actually put a couple of more hydrogen vehicles in operation, so I probably should expand the hydrogen production. I think this is going to be a different plan, because I'm going to have to deal with this hydrogen production probably elsewhere, because if I'm going to expand the city in the future, I don't want to plan for hydrogen production here, but I'm running out of space. So this is important where the water is being produced, and this is where majority of water is being produced for us. Could be this as well. Yeah, okay, different story. Full output, that would be these rocks, and then we have household goods, and we have corn. Would not store corn after harvest. Okay, we're using too much corn, or growing too much corn. Do I stop this? I think I need to stop this. Do I deplete this then? Yeah, I think this is the best way to do it, just because they can deliver it here. Well, if we had any space. But yeah, we're growing too much corn. I could grow something else here instead of corn, saplings maybe. And this is not fully being grown. Okay, I still have wiggle room here if I need to do. Okay, so instead of corn, can you please grow tree saplings? It looks like this is quite low. And then can I manage just tree saplings, not to have enough fertilizer and stuff? That would be nice, but looks like this is gonna be growing a lot of tree saplings here. Okay, I'm not happy about that. But fine. Let's see the vehicles. We are playing with trains. Let's play with trains. So I need this train, and I need to extend it. So how do I do this? Line manager, duplicate, under construction. Okay. So build queue, nothing. So how do I build this? This is line 1. Cancel. What? Where's my train? Ah, this is probably... Oh, seriously, where's my train? Oh my god, it was teleported somewhere else. Okay, so I have no idea how to do this. Okay, let's do the initial thing that we said that we need to do. That would be extend the tram depot extension. So let's build this. How much do we need? Oh, of course, it's red materials. Okay, so let's speed this up. Yeah, well, we have a problem with steel production, guys. That's a big problem. Big no-no. And electricity seems to be going off. Okay, that's not ideal. Let's see if we can do something with the train. So what do I do with the train now? I need to do the... Skip the station. It's at the station. How do I tell it to go back to depot? That's a problem. This is... okay, let's recover and pause. Okay. Okay, here we go, it's here. So what do I do here? Send train to the depot to be scrapped. No. Open train designer. Okay. So can you... how do I build more here? Not duplicate, don't do that. I need to build more wagons over here. Build queue. So... service lines 1. Click on new, doesn't work. Hopper wagon doesn't work. Duplicate. I don't want new train. This is new train, and I don't want new train. Maybe it is new train. Maybe I need... maybe I need to finish this first. Oh my god, 100 of these. We have only 56. How long? We are making 24, half of them are being sub 12. We need like 10 minutes, 55 minutes for this. When we speed it up, it might be way faster, but we gotta have to see. The steel production is affecting us. Okay, I think this vehicle, I'm not sure what to do with this vehicle. What is this? This is pause. Yeah, you go and do you. Go and deliver iron as far as you can. As much as you can deliver iron, and I'll deal with you shortly after the materials are delivered here, so we can build it. Yeah, it is what it is. This area is actually fully snookered, so I'm gonna have to do something about this. We need to build an overpass. Let me see where this can fit. It can fit even here. You know what? I don't know if this is where it's gonna be the best place for this. Level crossing. There you go. Please don't be red materials. No, it's just concrete and level 1 materials. That's fine. And then we have these. Oh, they're on the way. They're on the way. 60. There's more on the way. Oh, no, they're not. Oh, there is. Okay, perfect. Where's my iron train? It's on the way. Okay, so we can build a longer trains. I'm just gonna double check something. Oh yeah, you can build further. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, I already see that this is gonna be a temporary solution that is gonna be so permanent. I don't like that. This one. Oh wait. This vehicle will be disassembled. No. Can you go there? Train station. Okay, no, I don't want you to go there. Okay, recover and pause. Okay, so here we go. Do we slow this down? No, pause. Let's see. So how do I extend this train? So do I have to build new train and then build... Please don't tell me that it's going to build the whole train. Under construction? No, please don't. Okay, I'm worried about this. Okay, I'm missing something here. So build this. No. Build this, yes. Okay. Let's cancel this. Let's cancel this. So how do I deal with this one? Train 1 at the depot. Build stored products of water. And then if I do this, send this train depot to be scrapped. No, I just want to reuse it. Open train designer with this train design duplicated. No, I don't want to duplicate this. Build queue. If I press new train, and if I press build, let's see this. How materials we're gonna need here? Let's see what is needed for this. Here we go, this one. So if I do this, I don't want new train. I want to put wagons on this one. I don't know if this is possible. So line 1. Okay, can I delete line 1? So let's see. Line 1. Delete. Okay. That's fine. I'll deal with this. Unassigned trains. Yeah. Okay. So at the depot, I need you to be extended. How do I do this? Okay. If I press the new train, I know it's literally telling me to do this. No service lines. No line. Okay. Create a new line. Lines manager. Okay. I don't want that. Oh no. New line. Line manager, line 2, delete. Okay, so this train needs to go. I don't know how to upgrade the train, guys. I'm too stupid. So I'm thinking that it's a new train, but I have a feeling that this train is then gonna be here forever. I want to edit this train. Right click, empty schedule, click on it, double click. Put this one up, drag and drop. No, we can here. This is to create a new line in Lines Manager. Okay, this is opens the train designer with this train design duplicated. Yeah, I don't want that. This is literally that, you know, what they want me to do, and this is not it. And if I press new train, it doesn't give me to upgrade this one. So I am totally lost here, and I think I'm just gonna have to build a new train. And I don't know, this is stupid. If this is how do you redesign, how do you let these vehicles be used for another line? Sure, let's build a new line. Create a new line. That's add stops. So you're gonna go here. Do add stations to this group? No. And then add stop over here. There we go. This station, train station, trains. So we're gonna have this one, and I need to edit this train. Empty schedule. Send this train to the train depot to be scrapped for parts. No. Unassigned. No. Open the train design with this train design duplicated. God. Okay. Whatever. Select the products on this line. Yeah, that's gonna be iron ore. Pain. So much pain. Here we go. Iron ore. Guys, I have no idea how to do it, so I'm gonna have to probably build a new train. build it, I guess. Oh, okay. This looks like something happened. Water, coal, car parts. I think we should have all the car parts in the world. I'm just gonna double check. Car parts should be here. 200 car parts, vehicle parts. That's gonna be restocked as well. Okay, cool. Oh no! God no. I don't know, guys. No, yeah, when I press duplicate, they just evacuated this train, and that's it. I have no idea. I'm gonna see how to extend the existing trains. I'm missing something here. Totally, I'm missing something. Me being stupid. Materials delivery. Let's go speed through this. 41 minutes into this episode. I'm still struggling. But this is gonna double our iron ore deliveries, so that's, I guess, good thing. We're running out of iron. Yeah, maintenance. Come on, deliver more stuff. Oh, yep, let's do this. Oh god, this is gonna take forever. The system is falling apart because we don't have enough steel, then we have not enough maintenance production. That's level 1 maintenance. All of the maintenance is gonna slowly go down until we get this resolved. 1/3 through. Maybe I should have left this train on a line, but yeah, well, I needed to try to build this train. So what, scrapping a train and building a new one? That's your solution to everything. That kind of sucks. Well, our vehicles are going to be quite busy, I have to say that, because how many? 56. I was thinking, can we build more dumper trucks? Because I bet a whole lot of dumper trucks are being assigned to this job, delivering iron ore here. So yeah, that's a lot of. I think that's a lot of iron ore. You see, even more trucks on the delivery service over here. We can start disassembling this though, so yeah, let's do that. Oh, water and coal over here. I'm gonna need this for fuel, so let's do that. Let's do the water first. Water and coal. Water and coal. Okay, is the train done? I think it's already on the way. Yeah, there we go. It's already being... Cannot find path. Of course you can't. Okay, why would you find a path? So what's the problem with the path? Okay, so this here, connection to this looks like it's a problem. Okay, so let's open the rail. Okay, and how do I demolish it? Well, let's remove all of this. So I just need to connect then these two. This is not gonna cause any problems. I said I can recycle a whole lot of you, so might as well start on this. Of course. Why would it fit? Why? Why would this fit to each other? It makes no sense. Oh dear lord. Okay, let's do more. It is a little bit sharp, to be honest. Okay, let's do a little bit more. Panic! Power. Why did power production drop? Or did we run out of something? Like diesel, probably. No, even diesel should be working. I don't know why the installed power would drop. Ah, yeah, because it's broken. Yeah, please don't be reactor. It's not reactor. That's fine. Come on, remove all of this. Chop. Oh, right. Oh, I only have 36 left. Let's let them remove this. Come on. There we go. I'm gonna assume that this is gonna be fine. Yeah, let's build this. Come on. Oh, please, just go there. Okay, can't find the path to where. Okay. Line 3. Pause. What's the problem here? Oh my god, why is this thing? Right, okay, so this is not a dual track. Why is this not dual track? How do I change the... Okay, this shows it's only one track. How do you change this? Track management. Set directions. Here we go. There we go. Was that the problem? Yep, there we go. Train is on the way. Let's see if this is gonna resolve anything. Oh, I don't even know if this is gonna be enough, guys. Enough iron ore. Because this is doubling it from before. But it might not be enough. This is Australian, the Afghan. I know it's totally different. The Afghan is the train that goes through the middle of Australia, but it's just a passenger train, as far as I understand it. I think we had a chat with old Gala about this. We posted a couple of photos of Afghan going from, I think it's Brisbane all the way north to Darwin or something like that, or in the middle was some river, some falls or something. It's a desert, but yeah. So I'm just. This is very important for us. Let's see if this is going to work in the end. Yeah, these trains seem like they are carrying a lot, to be honest. Like this is what 6 times 120. That would be 600, 720 iron. This is way more than one of these bad boys can carry. But speed, I don't think it's so drastic. 36 kilometers per hour, but now downhill it should have very nice speeds, I think. Let's see, downhill. Oh, it's gonna be braking, right? It needs to keep the speed of 36 probably. Okay, sure. Let's see, did I bet on the disaster that this is gonna resolve everything? To be honest, we're still like, we have recyclables, we're still delivering stuff. Okay, iron is here. Come on, mill it. I'm thinking that look how many messages we have, not enough unity times 5. Let's see what the problem is. The problem is steel. I mean, it's kind of obvious. for a lot of it. We don't have any healthcare because we need the steel. We need steel for production of the of tools. Oh, look, it's not steel here. This is level 1. Medicine should be okay. So wait, why don't you have level 1 medicine then? Waiting for products, seriously? Is it really that bad in traffic? Like, this is like I'm just gonna ban these guys. Oh, it's already banned. Take away here, deliver here. Actually, this is fine. I'll leave this one as it is. Here's power problem. There we go. Both recycling and iron is being supplied in good quantities. Now we just need to, oh my god, look at these guys. This is redirecting the repairs as well in this direction, by the way, just so you know. When you put in, it's not only electricity, workers and stuff, but it's a whole lot of stuff is being directed in their direction. Look at this. Electricity is way, way low now. Okay, come on, chop, chop. I can do this. I don't know how much this is going to help, but... where do we have store here? Oh, these materials need to be delivered there. Oh, they're right. This is not going to work. Okay, go away. Because of my setup, it's actually far away from them. But yeah, looks like we just need to bite the bullet and supply enough material, supply enough steel to our machine part production, and that should be it then. To be honest, this should work like a charm now. We are producing iron, this is being produced now, and it's probably going to be resolved. Hopefully. I was risking it a little bit too much, but to be honest, we need to have, look, there's no conveyor belts anymore, so that means straight away from the get-go, this one train is not enough. We have a second train already here, but since I don't know how to upgrade the train, I can just let this one go and serve the same line. So I'm just thinking, Transport Tycoon Deluxe, guys. This is a simple thing. Transport Tycoon Deluxe was the game that taught us so much about traffic management. So I'm gonna try to use some of the knowledge that I acquired there to do stuff like this. There we go. So we just build a bypass. This one goes in the right hand side, the other one goes in the other side. There we go. Do I need the signs? Do I need the semaphores? I don't think there's semaphores around here, but yeah, Soviet Republic as well is the thing that... This is the middle part. I think this is the middle way between two destinations. Oh my god, what are you doing now? All right, you're waiting for this to be finished. Do we have trucks on the way? Oh my god, this is a joke. Okay, let's change direction of this one. There we go. Well, output of steam. Oh my god, look at the power production as well. That's unfortunate, but I don't care. We're gonna fix it one way or the other. You can see here that, yeah. Oh, here we go, finally. I mean, let's do this. I'm gonna just do this. This is very smart and very stupid solution to the problem that I have. Do I have enough? Yes, I do. Just release all of these parts to be delivered on a conveyor belt. This is emergency storage. Yeah, some of it is even being shifted in this direction, but that's fine. All of it is being delivered over here. So yeah, this is definitely gonna help with the situation with what's happening. Okay, let's household items, household goods, appliances, household goods, diesel, hydrogen, low on silicon. Is this also? Yeah, I mean, a lot of this is due to the parts. Yeah, oh yeah, I need to upgrade this as well. The silicon poly, we need to produce more, and to do that, I'm gonna have to upgrade the arc furnace, but I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna resolve this problem first. Look at the numbers of broken stuff around here. Quite large, quite large. But like I said, I just released a crap load of materials over here, and they're going directly into repairing this. So if we speed through this, I think the issue should be resolved. New iron is being smelted, and new iron is being delivered. Did they build a railroad? Not yet. I'm gonna build a railroad, and then I'm gonna change directions for the trains. I'm just worried that they're gonna crash or not crash. If it crashes, that's fine. I'm perfectly fine. Well, you know, it's gonna be disaster, but I think that I might allow, yeah, vehicles, they can still deliver iron ore manually, but I think there's too many vehicles broken at the moment, so yeah. What about this Unity? Let's do this. Let's do a couple of things here. Let's pause this. Why is this not working? That's interesting. Oh, because this Unity. Okay, so okay, not pause. Let's slow down, and then I'm gonna do this efficiency 0. I'm gonna pause the building as well, so it doesn't consume any of these parts. So everything goes into maintenance. So 51, 48. Lack of water. Okay, so why is it lack of water? Because water production doesn't work. Let's see. Probably there's electricity, lack of electricity. But look, the maintenance is going in the right direction, and these maintenance depots are actually working. So I think everything should start working, well, as soon as the stuff is repaired. 53 at the moment, that's a record. We're gonna be looking for a lower record, 39. 37, because it should be going downhill from here. Not enough unity from a lot of stuff. Let's see, food is fine, but here, look at the water is not being delivered to this, and this should be a priority, I think. Priority input, priority output, priority input, yes, priority output, yes. Oh, because this is broken. Okay, so that's why. That's fine. This definitely should have high priority for maintenance, so, you know, doesn't... Yeah, here we go. $44. We had 37. Oh, it's going up again. Let's see the maintenance here. Yeah, depots are full. They're working around the clock. It's just that they need to produce more maintenance. Look, each one of these depots are producing 480 maintenance. So this is what they're producing. This is what we're consuming. So this is 960. We are consuming way less than that. So this number should go down because we are producing maintenance that is needed. More so. So these two don't need to work, but I think they spike over 480. So I put these two to work at the same time. But these two definitely need to work at the same time constantly, because this is close to the maximum that we can handle. Yeah, that's it. Coffee. $37, $36, $34 is going down. It will spike because there's a lot of stuff that needs to be repaired. But it is going in the right direction. Let me just see. Oh my god, it stopped. Well, let's see if this is gonna make it. We don't have any more storage of these parts, so... But we're gonna feed everything into the system, so... is anything else taking these parts? So the vehicle production line. But I think they have their other problems. Actually, what problems do you have? You're waiting for yellow parts. Yellow parts are waiting for steel. Yeah, steel is a thing. Steel is a problem. As long as this is backlogging, I'm fine with this. But let me just monitor if they're getting enough materials. Okay, this is going to be challenging, I believe, to get out of this pickle. But like I said previously, I wouldn't mind even losing this because I found a really nice map that we could play together. It's going to be one of the best maps in the game, but that's something different. So even if we lose, I'm not stopping playing this game. I'm absolutely thrilled and enjoying it thoroughly. So this guy is still working. Come on, supply enough parts. Yes. Compatible sorting plant, cargo. What do you have here? Ah, it's broken. Yeah, that's why it's not compatible. Low supply. Okay, everything here is good. Not enough unity times 8. Sure, I can drop unity. Let's say from diesel was low. Diesel was low, so what can we put here? Recycling, I don't touch this, so fuel, I won't touch this. Maintenance, actually this one needs to be more. Water saver, I don't think this is that necessary. Settlements and farms. Speed this up, let's see population here. Plenty of food, that was fine, and health boost. Increase safety conditions, I get 20% extra health points, maybe? It's a different color, is that plus or minus? It's probably minus, yeah, it's minus. So I'm gonna turn this off as well. Okay, let's see how we're doing with production of materials over here. Oh, we're full, that's good. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is absolute priority. Why are we not getting this, please? Oh god, no. Oh, this stopped. Why no rubber? Why no rubber? No diesel. Oh. Okay, let's try to get diesel here. Okay, this is challenge. Challenge. I'm gonna have to do something about this. Not in this episode. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it, and if you want to support the channel, have the description of the video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one, bye.